Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a new developer on the channel. He goes by the name of Hennet, Nailo, and he's bringing to the table an awesome watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called HN Stalker. I like it. Gives you all your information up front in the AOD mode for the Gear 3, the Gear Sport, the Galaxy Watch, as well as the Gear 2. It's going to look decent in the AOD mode. But when the watch face is on, it does give you a host of information. So if you look up at the top, you will get your step information, week that we're into the year, days that we're into the year as well. And if you come down, the watch face is interactive. So if you need to go into your contacts, make a phone call, you can. Same thing here. You can set an alarm, and of course this is going to be your email. Now you got a nice legible digital time right here. Over here you're going to get your step goal completed if you set a step goal. Down at the bottom you are going to get your battery info, and you will get the date right up under the time, and you get seconds. Now I like this layout so far as the day of the week. It underlines it to let you know what day of the week it is. And if you come down, you will get your step status info, miles walked or ran, your calories, floors climbed, and also you're going to get your heart rate as well, people. And you will get the meter to let you know how much battery life you got as well. And I'm liking the look of this watch face. I like what the developer brought to the table. And again, it is inactive, so if I tap here, I can bring up my weather. If I come down here, I can go into my phone. I also can go into my settings. And if I tap right here, I can go in and get my calories burned, more information on my step status as well. I thought the developer did an awesome job with this watch face, and I'm going to give them 2 thumbs up in the door. But the question is, people, at the end of the day, what do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And again, people, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.